Can you grow mango trees in Louisiana? Mango trees Mangifera indica, native to frost-free tropical southern Asia, will not survive outdoors in Louisiana. The Bayou State's winter low temperatures between 10 and 25 degrees Fahrenheit will kill the mango tree. Growing mango trees outdoors in a permanent location isn't practical. Potential cultivation. If grown as a small houseplant after germinating from seed, a mango tree will grow in a container filled with fertile potting mix that is warm and moist but well drained. If the sapling remains small and the container not too heavy, move the mango outdoors from late April to late October to a sunny location to grow, but relocate it indoors once frosts threaten. Size. Even with perfect care while growing in a container, the mango becomes a massive tree too large to effectively manage. A spacious atrium or conservatory is needed to house it once maturing 30 to 100 feet tall. Warning: if you choose to sprout a mango seed and grow it as a container plant, be wary of contact with any milky plant sap. People allergic to poison ivy may also develop a contact dermatitis if the leaves, stem or sap are touched. Mango is in the same plant family as poison ivy.